Alright, so I was at the Dollar Tree. I grabbed 2 of these wishkins because I couldn't help myself because I like to open up surprises. I had to see what was inside, and the first one I got was a cute little puppy dog, and now let's see what this one is. And I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure we just got the same exact little puppy. Oh my gosh, they could have gave me a different one. Maybe that's why it's at the Dollar Tree. I don't know. So it has a little name card, a halo, and some angel wings. It's only $1.25. You snap the halo on the back of her neck, and it also comes with a little magical wand. And her name is Twinkle, and it has a little card with details on the back you can actually read if you want to pause it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and check out my other videos like this. And comment down below if you want me to do more blind bag videos. Bye, everybody. Alright, you guys, I found these wishkins at the Dollar Tree store, and apparently there's a surprise pet inside, so I had to get it because it's just so fun to open these blind bags. So let's see what's inside of here. Okay, I'm seeing a little beige dog or cat, and it looks like a little puppy. Totally cute. Alright, I'm turning its body around, and there we go. It comes with a couple accessories and a little name card. Oh, how cute, a little pink halo. His name is Twinkle. I think it's cute. Like, share, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up for more. Packing school lunch for Slappy. He's only going to get green food today, and he wanted frogs because he likes to eat frogs. So. Then Slappy also wanted green snakes, so we got him green snakes to eat. He also wanted green slime, so we got him this green slime to eat for lunch. All right, what do you think about your lunch, Slappy? All right, let's make lunch for Slappy. First of all, we're gonna give him this apple because he told me he wants something crunchy in his lunch. And we're gonna go ahead and give him a kiwi because he wanted something super sweet. And then he told me that he wanted some watermelon because he loves it so much. Then we're gonna go ahead and give him an orange to brighten his day. And there we have his lunch. What do you think, Slappy? All right, right, let's make lunch for Slappy. First of all, we're going to give him this apple because he told me he wants something crunchy in his lunch. And we're going to go ahead and give him a kiwi because he wanted something super sweet. And then he told me that he wanted some watermelon because he loves it so much. Then we're going to go ahead and give him an orange to brighten his day. And there we have his lunch. What do you think, Slappy? All right, so I'm packing a school lunch for Slappy, and he really loves hot dogs and pizzas, so we got to make sure he has both. And then he also loves popcorn, so we have to give him some of that. And his red licorice candy french fries. And he loves to eat worms, of course, and a Coca-Cola. Like and share for more.